we are filing out 941, Form 941, Employers Quarterly Federal Tax Return. And in this session, we are going to work on line 6 to line 12. So line 5, we have our tax, total tax, that is $30 CC based on our example. And line 6, total tax before adjustment. So if we have something on line F, then we will total line 5E and 5F to put it on line 6. So our line 6 here is going to be $30.60. Line 7, current quarters adjustment for fraction of cents. So if you are making some adjustment here, you'll put it as well. Line 8, current quarters adjustment for sick pay. If a third party withheld Social Security and Medicare on an employee's sick pay, you'll put it here with negative sign in front of it, like something, let's click on line 8 first, like -2 for instance. But if you are using a software that is not allowing you to use a negative sign, then you can use the parentheses, but you are required to use minus in front of the number, not parentheses, unless the software does not allow you to use negative sign. So you'll put that adjustment here with that negative sign. Just keep in mind that that adjustment, you will deduct pretty much that amount from your employee's Social Security and Medicare tax that you withheld as well. So not from your side, but your employee's side. So line 9, current quarters adjustment for tips and group term life insurance. So here it will be a negative. You'll use a negative sign here as well to make those adjustments for the tips for the group term life insurance. If you pay a group term life insurance on a former employees without collecting it, then you'll put it here as well. And so that's that for that row, that line. And line 10, total tax for after adjustment. Total taxes after adjustment. Combine line 6 through 9. Line 6 through 9. Since we don't have any adjustment here, our line 10 is going to be 30.60. Line 11, qualified small business payroll tax credit for increasing research activities. Attach Form 8974. So if you have tax credit, small business payroll tax credit to claim, you will use Form 8974. You'll file that form, you'll fill it out first, and the result from line 12 from that form will go on line 11 of Form 941, and you'll put the credit here. Line 12, total taxes after adjustment and credits. Subtract line 11 from line 10. So since we don't have any credit here for this first quarter, on line 11, our line 12 is line 10 minus line 11. That will give us $30 $2.60. And a little note on here. So probably we can include it on line 13, but just keep in mind that based on your business, you might have requirements to make deposits. So if line 12 is more than 2,500 for this quarter that you are filing, and it is more than 2,500 for the prior quarter as well, you should be making deposit using EFTPS to make electronic fund transfer. And you might have a deposit schedule. It could be monthly or bi-weekly. And we talk about that in another video, or we might talk about it in another video. If your total here on line 12 is less than 2,500 for the quarter, and you look up your previous quarter that you filed as well, and it is less than 2,500, then you are now required to make deposit. You could make a payment along with your Form 941 when you are filing the form. But if you could make a deposit as well using EFTPS to make an electronic fund transfer. But if it's more than 2,500, you should be making a deposit and make that deposit on time. Thank you for watching.